Hello guys, Cookies here. So today I will be fixing or restoring my Game Boy. So you do notice that this channel will be only IRL stuff, restoring my old retro consoles or reselling videos. Look at that shit, bruh. See that? Boom. Fast forward. So yeah, I will be posting IRL videos in this channel, my reselling and communication skills, bro. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and also share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my gaming channel, Cookie Plays 23, baby. Brought to you by Fendi. Box full of plenty, and just kidding, box full of tools. Yes, more tools, more parts. Yes, this is called the capacitor. I don't know what else it's called, but it's called the capacitor. Yes, grab that. Grab that shit. Grab it. Twist it like you mean it. Yeah. I love my Filipino accent, bruh. Zer. It's called the soldering paste. You need to clean the board, then apply some soldering paste. Yep, apply that shit, and boom, 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 boom. All right, that's I know that's okay now. And then, in order to desolder, you need a soldering wick. Cut that out. Then put some soldering paste so that the soldering lead will go into that wick. And then apply. Then boom. Now you know. Apply some desoldering wick. It's like magnetism, magnetics. Okay nang ina. Yes. Desolder. Oh, I think I missed the spot. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then you apply some soldering lead to the solder points. So I was restoring the sound because this Game Boy has no sound. So yeah, clean that shit. See that shiny thing? Yes, it's shiny now and clean, very clean, bro. So this is called the capacitor. That's the negative, and that's the positive. Yes, you need to bend that first. You need to apply some soldering paste, because the soldering paste is your best friend when restoring these consoles and some other electronics. Yeah. So apply some soldering lead to your soldering iron, and then boom, solder it, baby. Very quick and easy. You need to make some adjustments. Okay, I mean solder it. Yes, see that? Clean. Very clean. Nice clip. Okay, some adjustments. I don't know what I was doing, so I have to bend it. Yes. Fingers crossed. I hope it works. Yes, sir. Yes, that will work. I promise you. Old me. Yes, sing, my child, sing. Okay. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. You won't do it? Okay, fingers crossed. Nice. Again, boom! It works. Too easy. Too easy. You know, during the pandemic, I used to resell. See that Pokemon's crystal? It costs a lot, bruh. It costs a lot. Sadly, it's not working. So you need to stick stick until the end of the video to see if the Pokemon crystal is working. Yes. Fast forward. Fast forward. Yes, remove the rubbery thingy. Oh, bro, what you doing? Clearly, this is my first time commenting on myself. Okay, let's go. Yeah, squirt that. Oh, squirt, yeah. In 3, 2, 1, fast forward. Boom. Skirt. Just kidding. See? Because removing the previous polarizing film takes a lot. If you don't clean it, there will be a screen cancer when you put a brand new
A few moments later.
polarizing film. It will cause a screen cancer, and you don't want that in your new screen. Or you can also upgrade it into IPS screen panel. The screen, and that costs a lot on Shopee. And I would just clean the old screen instead and buying a new polarizing film, and that's doable and cheap unless I want to upgrade it. Oh yeah, it works now for the brand new polarizing film. You need to peel the cover plastic. Magic, bruh. Chat? Is this real chat? Oh no, yeah. See the magic? Boom. Magic. Right. So I'm not really good at applying polarizing film on screens, so I'll just mark these spots. So forgive me guys if I suck. At least I tried. Yes, cut that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also the sounds. The song. The song is from Hatino Village, Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Yes. Very slick, baby. Very clean. Very chill. Chill vibes, bro. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and also subscribe to my gaming channel. Cookie please. Cookie please. Cookie Plays 23, baby. I play Valorant, but sometimes I do hobbies like this. So it's up to you if you're gonna stay until the end. Goodbye, guys. Cookie Plays, I'm Pong, signing off.